If you're trying to choose the best CRM platform for your team, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the showdown between Mondaycom CRM and HubSpot CRM. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which solution fits your needs, especially if you're leading a sales team of about 10 people. Let's get started and break down not just the features, but how they really impact your daily workflow. First off, CRM software is essential for streamlining your sales and marketing processes. It's like the backbone of modern customer management. HubSpot and Monday CRM stand out in this space, but for very different reasons. To really understand which is right for you, we'll look at their pros, cons, core features, and even pricing with a focus on real user experiences. Let's begin with HubSpot. HubSpot is often called an all-in-one growth platform, and that's not an exaggeration. Its dashboard pulls together marketing, sales, customer service, and more. If you're not super tech-savvy, HubSpot's clean, user-friendly interface is genuinely a breath of fresh air. You can easily navigate the system whether you're new to CRMs or a seasoned user, and that matters, because a CRM only works if your whole team actually uses it. Now, what sets HubSpot apart is its extensive integration capabilities. Imagine connecting all your favorite marketing and sales tools so your data is centralized. Think social media, email campaigns, even e-commerce platforms. For anyone juggling multiple channels, this saves both time and headaches. HubSpot also shines in marketing automation. You can nurture leads and engage customers with highly personalized communications almost on autopilot. It's a big deal if your strategy relies on reaching people at the perfect moment. And if you ever get stuck, HubSpot's customer support team is widely praised for being quick and knowledgeable. Real people are ready to help, and that peace of mind really counts during crunch times. Analytics-wise, HubSpot offers robust tracking. You'll see how campaigns perform and which customer behaviors matter most. Making those data-driven decisions is much easier. But of course, no platform is perfect. Scaling up with HubSpot can get pricey. If your business expands and you need premium features, expect your subscription cost to rise. Another thing, some users wish there was more customization. If you have ultra-unique processes, HubSpot's templates might feel a bit rigid. Now let's switch over to Monday CRM. This one's often described as a work operating system thanks to its versatility. Monday CRM is highly customizable, letting you build workflows tailored exactly to your team's needs. It's like building with Lego blocks. You pick how your processes look and feel. If you're in a niche industry or have unique workflows, this flexibility is gold. The visual project management is another major plus. Want to track tasks and collaborate visually. Monday's interface is vibrant and highly interactive. It's almost like using a digital whiteboard. Team communication is boosted and things don't get lost in the shuffle. Getting your team up to speed is usually smooth, thanks to Monday's simple and intuitive layout. For analytics, Monday offers robust reports so you can dig into your sales numbers and spot trends fast. There are trade-offs, though. Setting up more complex workflows can take some time and patience. Don't worry if it feels fiddly at first. After a short learning curve, you'll find it's worth the effort. However, if marketing automation is crucial for you, Monday CRM might feel limited compared to HubSpot. Let's talk pricing, specifically for 10 salespeople. HubSpot's cost for a team this size with up to 1,000 contacts is typically between $1,000 and $1,500 per month, depending on your chosen plan and extra features. Monday CRM, with its per-user pricing, comes in at about $800 to $1,000 monthly. At the end of the day, your choice depends on what matters most. If you need cutting-edge marketing automation and deep integrations, HubSpot is probably the way to go. If flexibility, workflow customization, and visual collaboration are key, Monday CRM is hard to beat. And before you make the switch, a quick tip: data migration is a crucial part of CRM adoption. Tools like Sync Matters can make your transition from old systems to HubSpot or Monday CRM seamless, minimizing downtime and keeping your business humming along smoothly. I hope this comparison helps clarify what each platform brings to the table. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give the video a like, leave a comment if you still have questions, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.